Amri, the list, I had a meeting with the list of contesting candidates also, and even I have created a WhatsApp group. So all the letters which will be communicated to the contesting candidate will be shared in the WhatsApp group. Also, we have given them the identity cards of the candidate and election agents, along with the rules of representing people at 55 electoral offences rules. Also, we have shared with them. Also, I request the media persons to work with us regarding the fake news and all. So we will need your attention and also awareness too about the electoral offences and so reporting that out. So we extend your support in this for conducting this election successfully.
Shri Kiluntale Jeme, and I will request both of them to also brief a few points to the media with respect to the conduct of elections.
The finalization of the candidates already been done. In regard to the security matters, we have discussed this morning. All the polling stations will be given the fixed security, and there will be webcasting also. And our polling parties will depart from here on 8th for Ronghang, 8th of April.
NVA constituencies that are here in West Karbi Anglong. We received 7 nomination papers in Ronghang, 111 ST-LAC, and 112 ST-LAC Amri. We received 4 nomination papers, out of which we found 5 valid candidates from Ronghang and 4 valid candidates from Amri, because there were multiple submissions from one of the candidate. With respect to withdrawal, we had 1 withdrawal in Amri and 1 candidate withdrew in Ronghang as well. So at this point of time, the total number of contesting candidates from Ronghang are 4 and from Amri are 3. The name of the contesting candidates from Ronghang and Amri. So first I'll go with Ronghang, 111 Ronghang ST-LAC. The list of final contesting candidates are Shri Augustine Inghi, Indian National Congress; Tuliram Ronghang, BJP; Srimati Pratima Engifi, CPI-MLL; Shri Wilson Terang, he is an independent candidate; and from 112 Amri ST-LAC, Habe Teron, he is a BJP candidate; Bikram Hanse, independent candidate; and Wilson Terang, independent candidate. So this is the list of contesting candidates. With respect to publication of the supplementary electoral roll, we saw an addition of 1,459 additional voters. With 111 Ronghang ST-LAC, 725 additions were made, and in 112 Amri ST-LAC, 735 additions were made. At this point of time, total number of electors, the final total number of electors are 1,32,583 in Ronghang, and in Amri 1,08,31 is the final list of electors in the Amri constituency. The distribution of male and female, so in 111 Ronghang ST-LAC, the number of male electors are 66,686 and number of female electors are 65,896, and we have 1 transgender elector as well in Ronghang. And in Amri ST-LAC, we have 50,291 male electors and 50,540 female electors, and we do not have any transgender elector in Amri. The total number of polling stations in this district are 358. In Ronghang 111 ST-LAC, 193 polling stations are there, and in 112 Amri ST-LAC, 165 polling stations are there. We have 15 women polling stations which will be manned by women fully. In 111 Ronghang ST-LAC, the number is 7 number of polling stations, and the remaining 8 are in Amri ST-LAC. We have 1 model polling station each in the 2 LACs. 1 is in Ronghang, 1 is in Amri. The name of the model polling station is Tumpreng Higher Secondary School in Ronghang LAC, and in Hamran, in Amri, Hamran English LP School is the model polling station. With respect to the service voters that we have in the 2 LACs, In 111 Rongkhang ST-LAC, 289 electors are service voters. As you must be aware, the service voters are those who are serving in armed forces, Army, Air Force, paramilitary. And in 112 Amri ST-LAC, we do not have any service voter. We have 0 service voters. With respect to zones and sectors, 5 each. We have 5 each zonal officers across the 2 constituencies, and we have 22 sectors in Rongkhang and 33 sectors in Amri. Can have the facility of postal ballot that will be submitted by DIPRO and it will come vetted from the CEO office to us. Of course, they will be given postal ballot facilities, those who are identified as the one who can cast their votes through postal ballots. April and the date of counting will be 4th of May. Other timelines have already been met. They have all the details I've already shared with you.